here's the way to fill your new DeWalt grease gun with the new tube of grease. I got a few free samples from the Kubota dealership when I bought my tractor recently. So I've already unscrewed this most of the way. Just pull out the cylinder. You'll see there's a little notch right here. And when you pull this rod back, you get it to cock over into that notch, and that will hold it in place. So make sure the tube is empty. So both ends of the tube will end up being open, but this end with the cap on it is already open, and that is the end that will go in towards the plunger at the bottom. So the cap in, and then the end that you leave out, see, has this metal ring on it, and that's what will sit on the seal. So once you have the can seated, it's just as simple as opening up a soda. Try not to make as much of a mess as I did. And then the whole cylinder goes right back in place. And then once you have that seated, you'll then take the rod and pop it off that little mount and seat it all the way back in. So now we have spring-loaded pressure on the grease, and it is ready to pump.